The ActivTrax Circuit Routine Builder is a tool that allows personal trainers and fitness staff to create their own customized routines for their clients or members. Circuit routines are ideal for new exercisers, older members, or people who may be suffering from an injury or chronic condition and need a bit of muscular rehabilitation. The Circuit Routine Builder allows users to create specific routine days and string them together to create an entire routine. The tool makes it easy to build and prescribe the routines to groups of members or certain individuals. There are 2 staff video tutorials for the Circuit Routine Builder feature: the basics of the Circuit Routine Builder and advanced techniques using the Circuit Routine Builder. This video is approximately 7 minutes long and will cover the basics of the Circuit Routine Builder. After watching this tutorial, you'll be able to successfully create a circuit and add members to a specific circuit routine. To create a circuit, first mouse over Settings and Reports in the yellow menu bar and select Circuit Routine Builder from your drop-down menu. There are 2 sections on this page. First, you'll see a General Information section, and you'll also see a Circuit Details section. In the General Information section, first thing we need to do is name our circuit. When naming your circuit, it's best to be as descriptive as possible. This way, any of your fitness staff will know exactly which members should go into this circuit routine. For example, you might create a circuit and call it Youth Routine 1 Set or Beginner Routine 2 Sets. In this example, we're going to create a circuit and name it Life Fitness Full Body 1 Set. Next, we need to set the iterations for this circuit routine. In other words, we need to determine how many circuits or sets we want the members to do. Since we named it Life Fitness Full Body 1 Set, we're going to have 1 set. If we were to name it Life Fitness Full Body 2 Sets, obviously we could select 2 sets. Next, you have to decide whether or not you want ActivTrax to add the abdominal exercises and cardio to the circuit routine. Most fitness staff want to add their own ab exercises to their routine and have ActivTrax leave a space for cardio. Next, we need to decide if we want the circuit routine showing up in the member's fitter profile or not. By unchecking the box, it'll make the circuit routine invisible. You would want to do this only if you were creating a circuit routine for a specific client or member. Anything that is underlined within the system, if you mouse over it, it will give you a better description of what's being underlined. The last item in the General Information section is something called Circuit Graduation. Circuit Graduation will make a bit more sense later on in this video. So for the time being, I'm going to move on to the next section, Circuit Details. One tip that we recommend when adding equipment to the Circuit Routine Builder is utilizing the equipment from the strength test. This is particularly beneficial to new members getting acquainted to your facility for the first time, beginners, seniors, and youth members, since they may not be familiar with all of the equipment within your facility. So let's begin adding our equipment to this circuit routine that we call Life Fitness Full Body 1 Set. First, let's click on the drop-down menu where we have equipment, and I'm going to select the seated chest press. The next exercise I'm going to add is the seated row. Since the equipment is listed alphabetically, I'll go down to S, and there is the Life Fitness seated row. You will notice that the weight column has a default setting of medium, which will give the member 10 to 15 reps. You can adjust the weight setting to either light, which will give the member 14 to 20 reps, or heavy, which will give the member 8 to 12 reps, depending on the specifications of the circuit you are building. Now that we've selected all the equipment for this routine, we need to go to the bottom of this page and click Submit. After clicking Submit, the system will confirm that your circuit has been successfully updated. Now I have actually, in my circuit routine, built a Life Fitness 2 Sets and a Life Fitness 3 Sets. Let's go back and revisit this feature, Circuit Graduation. Circuit Graduation allows you to graduate a member from one particular circuit to another circuit after a period of time. So let's look at an example. For my members participating in the Life Fitness Full Body 1 Set, I'm going to have them do this circuit 12 times in a row. And once they've completed it 12 times, I'm going to have them graduate to my Life Fitness Full Body two-set circuit. Just to review, after this member has completed the workout 12 times, they will then automatically be graduated to Life Fitness 2 sets, another circuit routine that I've created for them. After setting the circuit graduation, again, go down, simply click Submit, and now I have successfully set my Life Fitness Full Body 1 set routine to graduate to my Life Fitness Full Body 2 set routine. Once you have created your circuit routines, there are actually 3 different areas in which you can add a member to a routine. The first is right here at the Circuit Routine Builder page. At the top of the page now appears a Members section where you can select from a drop-down menu which member or members you would like to add to the circuit. In the menu are all of your activated members. They're listed alphabetically, so just find the member's name you wish to add and then click the Submit button. The 2 other places you can add a member to a circuit routine is from the activation screen when first activating a member, or from the member's profile page. Under the training type in the fitter preferences, you will see a section called Circuits. Here you will find all the circuits that you have created where the checkbox labeled Visible was checked. Those circuits where the visible checkbox was unchecked will not appear for the member's use. For more information, please watch our second video, which will cover more advanced techniques for creating routines through the Circuit Routine Builder. Or if you have questions, please email us at info@activtrax.com.